everyone and welcome to the new episode of Halloween Extra. Today I'll show you how to create the huge mouth face paint on your face. This is a request from one of my Instagram followers, which I will happily do for you. And I'll start my look with a sketch. Although this step takes a lot of time in the beginning, it helps speed up the process later on and make it much easier. Actually, all we then have to do is to fill in the outlined areas. And for a start, I will fill in the lips with bright red water paint. Next, using a white water paint, I will draw the light reflections on my lips. I suggest using the red color stage by stage, as otherwise it might get too much and it will be too hard to remove. Now I will blend the white color by means of a clean and slightly wet brush. Do this in short strokes. Now I will add some shade to the upper and lower part of the lips. Since I don't have dark red paint, then I will use the black one, which I will apply on top of the red color with dabbing motions. This way the colors will blend between each other and I will get a dark red shade. And here's how everything should look like so far. Time to fill in the eyelids with black eye pencil. This step is very important, as if you apply water paints directly onto your skin, they will start to crease after some time. Actually, you can use just the pencil and don't even touch upon the black paint, but it is quite costly, so I will use black paint anyway. Moving on to teeth. At first, I will draw them with a white paint and then I will add some shades. This will give teeth some dimension. Let's continue working with small details. Using pink paint, let's draw the gum and outline the teeth with black color. And finally, let's draw the tongue and fill in the surrounding areas with black color. I decided not to draw precise tongue lines, but just to make it blurry in the mouth cavity. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel in order not to miss any new Halloween Extra episodes, as in October, I upload videos every single day. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!